kamusta ka?
Okay naman, pinakamakay.
Okay. Here's my question. I'm going to read it twice, okay?
Okay.
Do you believe global warming really exists? Or do you agree to the critics that it is just a fraud? Why? Again, do you believe that global warming really exists? Or do you agree to the critics that it is just a fraud? Why?
Okay, that's a very wonderful question. But I would just like to remind each and everyone that question and answer portion in this beauty pageant is the most crucial part, because this is where you can test the intelligence, and this is where they can see whether you're just beautiful. Because I always believe, ladies and gentlemen, that as a beauty queen, you should be intelligent and you should be beautiful at the same time. The question given to me goes like, do I really believe that global warming really exists, or it's just the critics? I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that global warming really exists in our world, right? Because, ladies and gentlemen, if you have noticed, this is not just happening in our country. This is not just happening in our continent, Asia or Southeast Asia, but this catastrophe is happening all over the world. Simply because of the fact that people like us are not treating Mother Earth accordingly and correctly. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that we only have one world to live and one life to experience. So whether you like it or not, ladies and gentlemen, we need to make sure we take care of Mother Earth. You know, I always believe that taking of Mother Earth is like taking good care of our mothers to their children. They always make sure that they give life to support, they give food, and we send them to school. Just like Mother Earth, it gives us shelter. It gives us sunlight that we see every morning that we wake up every day of our lives. And we get food from our Mother Nature. Right, ladies and gentlemen? So therefore, I always believe that we should take care of our Mother Earth. A lot of catastrophes are happening right now, like tornadoes, typhoons, and other calamities, or even earthquakes, wherever in the world, no matter what country it is. But I always believe, ladies and gentlemen, that everything is a cause and effect. The cause of people not taking care of Mother Earth, and that is the effect of it. So I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that whether global warming is going to exist forever, we need to make sure that we do our very best to keep the Mother and the Earth that we are living right now. Always believe, ladies and gentlemen, in the saying that Mother Nature can live without its people, but us people can never live without Mother Nature. Thank you very much.